Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So that is the practice. He should simply come to the thinking of Krishna. That is perfection. And if you become embarrassed with so many things, there is risk of becoming a cat, dog, deer or demigod, anything. Jang jang bapi smaran lokhe, sajatante kalevaram. You are, at the time of death, whatever you desire, you get the next body. That is the nature's law. Had been in Russia, in Moscow, many young men there are very much anxious to accept this Krishna consciousness movement, and some of them were initiated by me, and they are going on, just like these boys are going on. So far my experience is concerned, everywhere I go, people are the same. It is by artificial, means. They have been designated as communists and this and that. So, they are all the same. As soon as we speak of Krishna consciousness, they respond immediately. That is my experience. Actually, that is a fact. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is said, Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakti Sadha Kabhu Noy Sarvanadi Shuddha Chitte Karoye Udoy. The Krishna consciousness is there in everyone's heart. It is dormant, but it is contaminated and covered by the material dirty things. So, Sarvanadi Shuddha Chitte. This means that you are hearing. Just like these boys, these American and European boys, they came, first of all, to hear me. By hearing, now their Krishna consciousness is awakened and they are taken seriously to Krishna devotion. Everyone has got Krishna consciousness within. Our process, the Sankirtan movement, is to awaken that consciousness. That's all. So one man is sleeping, to awaken. Get up. Uttishtata, jagrata, prapta varan nibodhata. So this is our process. It's not that artificially we are making somebody Krishna conscious. Krishna consciousness is there already. That is a birthright of every living entity. Krishna says, Mumbai Mangsa Jiva Bhuta. Just like father and his son, there cannot be any separation. But sometimes it happens that the son goes out of home by some chance, or from childhood, he forgets who is his father. That is a different thing. But the relationship between father and son is never broken.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna